happy ya?
Happy.
Saya lebih happy kerana saya wife after 2 years dia boleh keluar rumah stable. Not even kalau bukan pun dalam 95% lah. Dia, I kena share sikit je. Mungkin saya jahat sikit.
Ke banyak?
Banyak pun ada. Okay, dia selalu bila kena after booster 2 weeks lah. Tiap-tiap malam dalam pukul 2 pagi ke 3 pagi dia akan keluar. Bangun. Saya cannot. I want to go to hospital. So mana mau pergi? Kalau kita pergi government kena tunggu doktor. Kalau private dia cakap mana doktor belum hari. So next morning I think the overall Klang Valley dekat Lembah Kelang semua hospital private saya dah masuk dah keluar. So bawa dia. So tak nak cakap banyak lah. So then from that help with the sister Rani. So memanglah dia ini mana boleh dan make use of the bee product. So until now come to Japan, Tokyo. So I nak thank you the bee founder and the upline everyone Mitchell and
dia mau pergi hospital sebab sakit mana?
Sakit kepala, migraine. Sampai doktor bagi dia ubat tidur saja. So I kena bagi dia best wife lah, best mother. Dia buang, dia temung. Doktor bagi ubat tidur, dia tidur serba gila je. Dia pusing, cannot sleepy saja. She fight back, I don't want to be sleepy. Sampai doktor cakap, you tipu. Kita cakap, buat apa mau tipu? Pasal we not claiming anything. So we are wasting money. Then she really fight back for better now. So itulah. So I nak thank you be founder, be lah semua and overall. So
how you go fight for the trade? Masa kenapa mula fight?
Fight for the trip So tengok semua orang selalu tengok before they sangai sana. Why not we join them also? So they are okay. So we share the product with the other people. So from there we do some this thing lah. So I don't know how to say again, but I say no feeling, cannot express the feeling. So happy. So the food all very good. So for at the moment lah. So some people don't take, but I take everything, no problem. I'm happy to travel with you all. Happy to travel to be next Melbourne is our target.
Wow, 8 orang
Your wife said 8 lah. Sekarang you
nak
nak berapa?
berapa?
Tambah 2
Tambah 2 pun boleh.
10 lah.
More is more better lah.
Yay.
So thank you B. Okay, thanks.
Wow.